Hey guys, Crazy Crafty here, and I'm sorry if my mic is a little choppy this video, just because I had to deal with it like being really choppy, like laggy too earlier. But we're in Vermilion City, and you know what? We're going to go in here real quick. Whatever. I'm just gonna skip through this, so that's the only reason I came in here. I didn't actually care what he had to say. Take that bike voucher to the bike shop in Cerulean City. Exchange that for a bicycle free of charge. Don't worry, my favorite fear will fly me anywhere I need to go, so I have no need for a bicycle. Hope you like cycling. So it's like we're going back up to Cerulean City. I owned you all. Oh, I believe like there's rare candy somewhere. Just gotta walk there. So I'm gonna search around here for that rare candy. There it is. I knew that because I've actually played this game. It was actually long ago, but I still remember that just because it's like the coolest Easter egg ever. I am not going to press space this whole video. Oh, if the screen's a little dark for you, it's just a little dark for me. I'm not sure if it's dark for you guys. It's dark for me because I don't have my I don't have my charger plugged in since my computer's fully charged overnight. Wrong house. Oh, that's a bike voucher. Okay, here you go. Think you come back again sometime. Sorry I had to do that. Alright, so register. Forget which button to select. Come on. I'll be right back, I gotta push some buttons. Alright. Yeah, my mic's been a little choppy and turned out it's backspace. So this is a lot better than having to press space all the time. Yeah, my mic can be a little choppy, just warning you again. I can't get to this house easily. Alright, so we're going to go to, Diglet's cave. Catch a Diglet, obviously. Where are his legs? I see him, but like, I don't think that's how you ride a bike. Pokemon trainer, I don't think that's how you ride a bike. I don't think you just like move your leg in one place. Pretty sure the leg's supposed to go all around. Alright, we're gonna have to catch an Abra if I know what we're doing. Yeah, Diglet's cave. So do I have any Pokeballs? That's something we're gonna need for one Diglet's cave. Yeah, I have 3. Should be good. Let's go War Turtle first. Since he's really the only one that would deal with the Diglett. Alright, so we're just gonna look around through here. Diglett. There's one. Hey there, Diglett. You wanna be my Pokemon? And it dug a hole. So sweet. So this one is dig. It's gonna be useful when we battle Lieutenant Surge. Dig. Alright, now let's go with. I'm gonna try this. Aww. I don't have any other moves. And you guys are gonna do anything. I guess I'll try bite. Nope. I'll be right back when I find another Diglett. Diglett! Female this time. I'm just gonna speed this up. Just gonna speed that part up. Match. Fight. There we go, that should be good. There we go. Cut. Just cut. Nope, no nickname. I'm just gonna get out of here. I swear I'm probably gonna run into like 10 of them now. You know, I just dig. Let me just fix that. There we go. Mike's being the little game. Game! There we go. Back to normal. It was just a large amount of lag. So yeah, War Turtle and Pikachu got taken out, so I'm gonna go heal them real quick. And then we'll go on to the boat. It's okay, SSN is a pretty big ship, so if I get lost, or if I don't get done this video, we'll be fine. Welcome to the SSN! Excuse me, do you have a ticket? I showed you the ticket. Great, welcome to the SSN. Alright, so we're going to start off in this place. Which I believe, you know, I'm just going to do it over here. I'm but a solitary traveler. My sole companions and friends are Pokemon I caught on my journeys. Growlithe. Growlithe versus War Turtle. You decided to bring out Minky, got it. Beat by Monkey. Yeah, sorry about the speed so slow. I really want to press space, but I don't want to at the same time. Yeah, level 15. Growlithe. Let's bring in Diglett. Let's sink the boat by using Dig. Really, I don't know how this doesn't break the boat. I mean, we're on the floor, so... I think I just sunk the boat. Earthquake! I won the Speckle. My friends. Relax, they're just sleeping. Take a nap. I know there's like some beds where you can like rest in. Yeah, I found the room where you're allowed to sleep in. What's this one? Right. Battle. You insolent pup! How dare you barge in? I'm a puppy! War turtle. We're gonna switch out to Diglett because Diglett's type is good against this. Good against this. Sorry, I'm thinking about type matches. Sunk the boat again. So that our Diglett just fell through to the floor. There we go. Ran again. No, not changing. So you have both versions, and I'm going to take up both of them with the same move. Boom. I was going to say something, I forgot what it was. So yeah, sorry if my commentary today is just like a bunch of just because I just woke up. While recording this, I just woke up, so. I defeated Arthur. Rude child. Sorry, that's all I saw before I quit. I'm pretty sure there's like some loot in some of these. Wait, I'm not your waiter. You wanna fight? After a world cruise is so elegant, yet so costly. There we go. I love Pokemon, do you? Of course. I'm gonna play it. Nidoran. Why does everybody have these things? This one's level 21. Whoops. Diggle after us, we're gonna have to go heal. I just used scratch. And now I'm poisoned. I'm sorry, Diglett, I didn't mean it. Magnitude 5. Earthquake. There we go. Tyler. Wow, you're great. Excuse me, I gotta go save my Diglett. 1, 2, 3. It was this one. Yes, thank you. Hey. I collect these Pokemon from all around the world. As far as I know, there's only one world. Pidgey! I'm actually going to use Pikachu on this one. I feel like I've been neglecting Pikachu. Thunder Shock. Hurry up and use Thunder Shock, Pikachu. You know, I'm going to speed through this battle because it's not very important. There we go. Diglett. Dig. And I stopped just in time for the glory shot. Oh no, I went around the world for these. Well, I actually just have to get like up 2 routes to get both of those. We are cruising around the world, my children and I. TM31, Brick Break. Can I teach that to myself? Gish, I'm a shh. I don't know, I said gish. I'm a global police agent. I'm on the trail of Team Rocket 3 to nothing. I know, I ran into them once. And defeated them. Let's check the trash cans. 1 Pecha Berry. 1 Cherry Berry. Gesto Berry. Great Ball. I just want to come there for that. I didn't want to talk to anybody. That was also one of the secrets I remembered. You know, let's go down because I want to fight everybody. Sorry. Because I have it. See, I can't ride my bike in here. If I can run. My buddy Machoke is super strong. He's big rocks. I know. Super Potion. I like how I'm just going to like people's room just stealing all their stuff. Hyper Potion. I didn't even know about that one. I was just checking. This place is just littered with stuff. Am I gonna have a double battle? Come on then, my pride's at stake. Horsey. Pikachu. Speeding through battles. So much fun, doo-da, doo-da. Not very important, so I think I'm just gonna speed along. Sheldon. Tentacle. Oh, this one's poison. Shock. Supersonic. Light shock. There we go. There we go, 18. Hey, you know what they say about sailors and battling? No. What do they say? Do they say shit? Do they say shit? Do they say sailors always lose battles to little kids? So if you ask me, that's pretty accurate. Realize I can't move. There we go. His name's Leonard. I'll be right back, I'm just gonna go heal. Alright, next room. You wanna fight? I like feisty kids like you. Okay then. It's kinda weird. What are you up to, old man? I think he's saying he likes my attitude. There we go. I know I'm speeding up. If I know my moves are just gonna kill them in one shot. I mean, paint them! There we go. Horsey again. Hey, what do you call a horse who has a scratchy throat? I mean, a sore throat. A horse! Dylan. I defeated Dylan. Arrgh, I lost it. One either. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter either way. Anybody here? Oh, sailors even have Pokemon. You know, I'm just gonna speed through this one since it's like the last battle we have. And plus I don't have that much time. I will finish this battle. do this. Pikachu, fight through the poison. Fight through the poison. 19. Staryu. Poison. Time shock. Recovery. Pikachu doesn't have to do it. I don't have to make him learn to recovery though. Glory gun. Bye bye Pikachu. War Turtle coming for the glory shot. Bye. 24. Cute. Okay, you're not bad. TM44 contains rest. Alright. Alright guys, other than that, I think, wait, can we just go through this door? You know, I'm gonna go heal and then come back and face them. Whoops. Alright, got Pikachu all healed up. So maybe we should put Mankey up front since he's going to be a pretty important Pokemon later. There we go. Please just have Magikarp. Hello, stranger. I can tell you from I can't tell from the sea, but stop and chat. All my Pokemon are from the sea. All my Pokemon are from all over the place. We're not going to fight this battle with. No, go with War Turtle. There we go. Shelter. Let's go with. Alright, I think this video is long enough, and it's sadly about over, so we'll have to fight that guy. We're gonna have to fight that guy next episode. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't know why I'm pressing space. If you did, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. And if you haven't done this yet, subscribe to my channel. I've been Crazy Crafter, and I'll see you guys